Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rose. Today I'm going to show you my new banana bread recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. You'll need 2 bananas, 140 grams of butter, 140 grams of self-rising flour, 2 eggs, 140 grams of sugar, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Right, so what you need to do here is melt the butter. Well, not melt the butter, but soften the butter. But I actually left it in the microwave a little bit longer, so you're going to see melted butter. It shouldn't be like this. It should be softened. So don't be like me. Make sure you only soften it. So if it was softened, it won't look like this. All I had to do was whisk a little bit, and then I put it in the a blender. I shouldn't have, but honestly it wasn't getting creamy, so I did. And then after that, you put 2 beaten eggs into it. Slowly mix this together, and then add a little bit of flour, just a little bit of the flour that you're going to use later. That should do. So once you're done with that, you just add the rest of the flour. So you fold it in slowly and just fold in the rest of it. So the flour, the baking powder, and your mashed bananas. The last time I did this, I actually used more bananas than this. So if you like more bananas, then go ahead. Maybe 1 more or 2 more will do for this recipe, because I think that's what I did the last time. So once you're done, you keep folding it in until you get the right consistency. Right, while you're doing this, you should have preheated your oven for at 180 degrees. You should have done that before you started putting your ingredients together. Perfect. So should look like this. And now you don't need to add this, but because I had some chocolate at home, I decided to add a little bit of it. And now this is for a friend of mine whose daughter's turning 16. So I know she loves chocolate, so I decided to add a little bit of it, and then bake for 50 minutes or until done. Obviously you should be checking this every 5 to 10 minutes, and voila, this is what it looks like. Unfortunately I couldn't cut into this because I had to go and deliver it to someone else. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave me a comment as well if you want me to show you to do another one and cut the cake so you can see what it looks like inside. Then fine, sorry, the bread, then I will do. So thank you for watching.